This is just a quick video to let you know that ChatGPT will be deprecating a model in less than a week. In this case, we're talking about O3, and we're only talking about chat, so not work. So let me show you what we're talking about. This is just chatgpt.com. You'll probably have to log in. And then if you go to your model selector here, O3, and there's even a note on here. If you're currently using O3, this model will be retired on August 26th. Try newer models, etc. Their recommendation for a replacement is GPT-5.6 Sol with Pro effort. My personal recommendation is to take your workflow and try different models and see what works. GPT-5.6 Sol is their top of the line model. Pro effort is the highest effort level. If it's possible that you can do your workflow on a lower model, and that's up to you, but I would test your workflow with different model and reasoning combinations and ultimately do what works for you, your timeline, and your budget. 5.6 Sol Pro is really good. That also means that it takes a little bit longer, and it means that it costs a little bit more. So it's possible that your workflow can't really tolerate how long it takes or how much it costs or whatever. So definitely do your own testing and see what works. In this deprecation, it's only for chat. So if I go over to the work interface here, O3 is not even a choice. I go to the model selector and then look under model, and I have 5.6 Sol, Terra Luna, and then GPT 5.5. So O3, not even a choice in work. We're only talking about chat and then custom GPTs. So if you have automations from Zapier or any other tool, that's probably using the API. And O3 will be available through the API through early December. That's still not that far away. So if you do have workflows that use O3 through API calls, you still want to start to migrate away from it now, but you do have a couple of months for that. But the other thing is if you have custom GPTs, so you'd expand the side menu, go to your GPTs, wait for it to load, my GPTs, and then if you have a GPT in here that uses O3, it's the same thing. So you go up and model selector and configure, and then you can choose model from here. Again, O3 leaving on August 26th. So if you do use a custom GPT that has O3, that's somewhere where you might not really think about it. And then the next time you go to use it, it's not really going to work because your model, it'll probably just default to 5.6 Sol. I don't know. We'll have to wait a week and see what it changes to. But if you have custom GPTs that use O3, know that after the 26th, that will not be an option anymore. So yeah, that's it. Just know that O3 within ChatGPT, chat and custom GPTs will be available for less than a week at this point. August 26th, they are deprecating the model. You will still have API access through early December, but even with that, you should start to look to migrate away from it. Their recommended replacement is GPT 5.6 Sol Pro effort. I don't think I showed that on here, so let me just go. If you have the model selector here, you would have model 5.6 Sol at the top, and then effort. Again, Pro is the highest level. So this is the recommended combination to replace O3. Again, my recommendation, take or leave. Try different combinations in here and see what works. So maybe 5.5 works. That's kind of old. They're going to probably get rid of that one soon too. But if you do choose 5.6 Sol, maybe you can do it on high effort or medium effort. So try your workflow with different combinations of models and effort. Do what works for you, your timeline, and your budget. O3 will be gone after the 26th. Thank you for watching. See you next time.